Family, happy fall. I'm here today to talk about fall lashes and some things you could do. It's all about colors this season. And it doesn't have to be clown, crazy, rainbow, festival lashes. Utilizing colors in a subtle way to really make people's eyes pop. Almost like eyeshadow, but without the extra work. So for me, I like to do purple. It makes my eyes look more hazel. For people that have really dark hair, the blue, it's such a pretty blue. It really makes, here it is, it really makes your dark hair kind of pop. It acts as a low light or a highlight. And then if people have red hair, green eyes, you could do the burgundy brown mixed. It's really natural and really makes their eyes look more green. And if they're really fair, the brown is just really, really pretty. We have dark brown and regular brown. So to promote colored lashes for the season, we're doing any 3 trays for $30. We have pretty much every color, volume, length, combination possible, mixed trays, single trays, and they're all 3 for $30. So if you go on the website, you'll find that code. And the website is LAshX.pro. We hope this helps you for the season. Definitely offering it to your clients gives them something special and a reason to come back to you.